what is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another box from Sneaker Knockers LLC. This is the second box we've had this month. If you don't know, they're the ones who get me all the early pairs of sneakers that I get to show you guys, and some crazy unreleased friends and family. And if you didn't watch my last video, I ended up buying this pair. The last time we did a video, which was a couple weeks ago, I fell in love with these and we ended up working out a deal. Go watch the last video to see how much I paid for these. These are like 20 to 25,000 and I did not pay that. But today they said, we have like 15 more shoes to show you and for you to show your viewers that are early, that are supposed to be coming out. So that's what we're doing today. We're unboxing it and it's kind of crazy how they have so many this early. So let's go ahead, open this up. As you guys know, they're local, so they drop these boxes off. That's why there's no label or anything. They're local, they literally just drop it off my front door. So let's see. Open this up and pull out some stuff. We've got some Jordan boxes, and let's see. So it's like a 12 box, and it is. I'm smart. I know my boxes. We have a Jordan 12 Retro Low. This, I believe, is the Super Bowl. This is the Super Bowl Jordan 12 Low. It looks very similar to the flu games, but it's got some like crazy like confetti. This is what's on the inside here. Now, I've also heard that if you cut this away, there's stuff underneath that as well. I'm not gonna be doing that, but there's a photo to show up on the screen. I think Tony D2 Wild, he cut his pair, and I saw that. So these are cool. I do not foresee these going for much, if I'm being 100% honest. I feel like these will probably sit at retail, but you never know. Super Bowl's this weekend. I was gonna say who I wanna win, but I'll leave it out there. It's not Lamar Jackson, I don't care. All right, let's move this to the ground. We have some other boxes and there's boxes within the boxes. So what you guys might not know is in this box, they bought something. With the sale of that, they bought something else to put in this box and they said, I'm gonna freak out even more. So now they set the standard pretty high. So let's see, let's pull out, it's gonna be somewhere in here, but let's pull this out. This is a Jordan 3 Silver Sport Red Graphite, $190 retail. Seen a couple photos of these. So I guess these are called like the orange peel. It's the Cool Gray 3, at least February 24th. These are set to come out on the 24th of this month, so about 3 weeks away. This is a decent one. If it had different colors than yellow with it, then I would like it a lot more probably. Gray and yellow is just not my favorite mix, but this is a size 11.5. All right, we got boxes. Let's pull out some of these boxes, and I can already see the bottom of a shoe. These are all right, I'm gonna just pull this shoe out. These are jammed in here. We have, oh, this is the other free 99 Dunks. So if you didn't see the last video, there's a white colorway of this. And on the inside, it says free 99. I assume these come out at the same time. Probably, I think it's in around a week or two. These are all right. This is like an Easter colorway. Good shoe for on Easter, but I think I like the white colorway better because it's kind of like that Harlequin Volkswagen car. But kind of like that. I don't mind Easter, but it's kind of less instances to wear it. So those aren't bad. And then we have in there as well, a very little pair of Sakai's. These are the Vapor Waffle, but in black. Look how small that is. This has got to be like, this is definitely a base size. This is size 4. That's small. That might even be small for my girl. So I don't know. This is like tiny. But Vapor Waffle looks like it's black. It's got the gum outsole there. I've had every single colorway of these, and they're too big for my feet. The way that this sticks out on a normal pair looks crazy. Speaking of my pairs, if you look over here, we have a wall of shoes. All of this stuff, there's a whole closet full of stuff that's gonna be dropping on my website today when this video drops at 5 p.m. Eastern, harrisonnevel.com. Don't miss it, one of our largest website drops yet. These prices are better than anywhere else you're gonna find them, so go ahead and check it out there, harrisonnevel.com. So after my self promo, I'll put these to the side. We're 4 pairs deep, quick 4 pairs. Not my favorite out of all those, but we'll keep going. It's just crazy that they have that many that are coming out. So let's see. Ooh, I see another box that says friends and family. That's probably it right down there. We got 4 more boxes until then. So let's pull this out. Let's see, we have a Nike SB bottom, and there's 2 shoes in here. This is a Nike SB. What are these? The other ones in there are cool. Wasted Youth. These are kind of nuts. It's like a denim, like a black denim. And you can kind of see like the cuts throughout. There's leather up here. They've got like the swoosh is like a floral, which kind of looks like a Warren Lotus remake. And then they've got like a metal loop back here. That's interesting. Maybe it's just, obviously it's a skate shoe. It says Youth SB, oh wait, Wasted Youth SB on the tongue. Huh. I don't know much about those. Reminds me of the denim SBs that like are super old. Next pair we'll pull out. This is a Nick shoe. It's a high, but Nick loves that kind of like darker, maybe the gum outsole.
If that was a low, for sure.
Yeah, Nike SB, it's got like orange here, orange hit. This, if I was 16, no, we were like 12, I would 1,000,000% skate these. I had like a tan pair of SBs growing up. Yeah, that's all that's really on there. Those are sick though. It's like a nubuck material. It's like nubuck all throughout the upper. Then you have the gum outsole. I can't even find information on these. I'll put up on the screen if I can find it, but there's nothing because it's a pretty vague description of the shoe. Size 7, smaller size. I guess it's just an SB coming out. I don't see these going crazy because I don't feel like people are buying the like actual like skate colorways, but it's got a nice leather swoosh, black. Pretty awesome. I'd have to guess they're probably coming out in the next month or two, but that's like a classic SB, the one that you would find in the stores years ago. Got 3 boxes left at the bottom. Okay, here we go. This one's heavy. Assume maybe there's 2 in there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so far. Let's see. Ooh. We've had 2 other colorways, and we have, we have the other 2 colorways. Woo! The Nike SB Dunk Supreme, set to release this year in the green colorway. If you cannot tell, it's got like the crazy, what is that? Crocodile skin. It's got the stars there. This is the best colorway so far. There's one more pair in here, the maroon colorway. These are 2 of the best, I believe. Over the black and the blue, I'm taking these green, and these look close to my size. This is a 10, dang, 1 size off. But these, the release dates have been like moved and all this. You guys already know these are gonna go for a crazy amount of money. After I've shown you all the other colorways, these 2 are pretty hot. I'm excited about these coming out. I'm gonna go for this colorway over any other colorway. Dang, you get the Supreme right there. You have the little hang tag as well that says world famous Supreme. Good luck getting these guys because we're all taking L's. Here's the maroon colorway. These are really cool as well. It's a nice subtle colorway. I like that. Obviously the stars there. So you know this pair right here, this is an OG high. These are actually going up for sale on my website drop. This is size 10.5, so if you want some OGs. All right guys, so Sneaker Knockers wanted to actually give away this pair of the Nike SB Dunk Supreme lows. This is before they even come out, the best colorway in my opinion. So all you have to do for this giveaway is you have to 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. Number 3, follow Sneaker Knockers on Instagram. Number 4, leave a comment on this post that's up on the screen. It's already on my Instagram, so if you entered on there already, you're good to go. Just make sure you follow the rules. We're picking the winner in 3 weeks time. Date will be up on the screen. Dang, that's the heaters. That made up for all the other ones. I was like, nah, that's all right. Those are sick. Okay, so we have 2 more boxes. I don't know which one's gonna be the one. I'm kind of nervous to see because we have 2 boxes. This one says friends and family. This one does, but this has more stickers. I don't know.
I mean, the friends and family was the heater last time.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go for this one. I'm nervous if this is it. Maybe this is just like a regular shoe. I don't know. They're scaring me with the hype that they had for the big pair. All right, let's see. Oh. Hold on. I see. Ooh, so this is not, these are actually nice. Okay. Here's one of the human races, breath thoughts. This is like super similar to the black colorway. This one has the white laces, but it's in English writing on the tongue. They didn't resell much at all. They're sitting probably around like 150 bucks. I've been wearing mine a good bit, but not that much. That's cool. A lot of all black shoes. Like, look at that. That's crazy. All black shoes. And then this pair, I really like. So I don't know much information on these, but it's like a knit sweater with like soft material on there. I don't know what it is. It's like a rug material. And the back is pink there. And I really like these just because the materials look so sweet. The way that this pops out rather than being the same color or just like stitched in there, it's like kind of like a rug. I don't know. They're super cool. Then you have pink laces here. Man, Adidas sent me all the other ones. They sent me these. These are called the cream colorway and they released this coming week. 250 pairs for grabs. 220 on the confirmed app and Billionaire Boys Club. 220 bucks. There's gotta be more than 250 pairs. Maybe that's just on that certain app, but these are really cool. I like those, the materials. I would definitely wear these the most out of all the ones that I have. Got the blue hits there. So I gotta hop in here and give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is Rejuvenator. You know I've been talking about them a lot over the past couple weeks. They are the best sneaker cleaning products in the game. If you guys are getting any sort of sneakers like the ones that you see today, if you're able to get them for retail, if you pay resale, you wanna take care of them. And if you don't know, Rejuvenator has different products from sneaker cleaning wipes like these, which are my absolute favorite. If you get a mess up on the go, you can wipe down the sneaker and they're ready to go. They have full sneaker cleaning kits you can do in in the washer. They have wash brushes, they have everything. So go ahead and check out Reshoevnator and the link down below. And make sure you guys use my link down there just so that they know that I sent you guys. And thank you to Reshoevnator for sponsoring this video, and shout out to you guys if you've ever purchased from Reshoevnator. Now, look at all these shoes that we've got over here. Like, if you look at the table, we've got an insane amount of stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 right there, which we kind of went through kind of quick, but just because we've seen a couple of colorways before, we've seen some of, other colorways of these, but this is the big boy. And last time that they had a big boy, I bought it from them and I spent a lot of money. My turntable's not on right now, but I don't know what to expect. I have a couple of things in mind, but I should say them before so you guys know, it doesn't ruin it for you guys. So my guess, I'm gonna say 2. Nike SB Dunk Paris, but I don't think it's gonna be those. And if it is that pair, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I would try to sell those and the Dior's to get them, because that's the ultimate shoe that I've never been able to acquire, and I really want. Because, all right, I tried to buy them before too. I put out a bid for 20 grand. So all I have to guess is that it costs at least double what I paid him. So, okay, I see a box. I just saw a box, kind of like a Jordan 1 box. Oh no, it's not. Oh no, it's not. Oh God. No. My nose is running. It's not a 1 box. God, Lee. I kind of don't want these to be them. Nick, I'm on par for my main guess, aren't I?
Yeah, but I really don't want you to get rid of those Swarovskis. Like,
okay. I don't want to look. I just want to see a size, because that's gonna be bad. All right, Nick, I'm gonna show you the size.
Oh man.
What's the size?
I mean, it's a sample tag and it's a size 11.5.
Oh.
No, just open it. Don't even look at the tag.
Did you see what it is?
Don't look at the tag.
Okay. I want to cuss because okay. Oh, can you kind of see what it is?
Yeah, I can definitely see.
Oh my, no way, dude! Ah, I knew it! Damn, I'm about to have to go to the bank.
Oh my God.
I have never had these in person. Oh. This is hands down the craziest shoe. I'm gonna have to call Kais and he's gonna cry because he wants these just as bad as me. Guys, okay, if you don't know what these are, this is a Travis Scott Friends and Family purple Jordan 4. Oh my. In my size. Oh my God.
You think 11.5?
Oh, I don't give a flying F for half a size off. You can see the back there. Obviously, we all come to know the Travis Scott Jordan 4 in the blue colorway. I've had my eyes on this pair ever since I've seen it. I put endless bids on StockX. Purple Friends and Family, size 11.5. Let's check the last sale. No last sale. Highest bid, $16,270. Guess how much the lowest ask is? Nick, go ahead and guess.
$55,000.
$42,500. That's a car. That is a Range Rover. Do I FaceTime him? I'm just gonna text him a WTF saying, Mo, why are you doing this to me? Now this, but why so close? I just bought these. It's like if I bought these 6 months ago, I could be like, all right, I've already, got my enjoyment out of them. I don't mind I'll say the price on the $9,500 I spent, so that I can, be like, okay, I'll keep these. But now it's like I just spent a 10 grand. Why would I want to put 10 grand towards these? Here comes Mo calling me. Mo, we're on camera. Mo is laughing his ass off right now. Dude, when I tell you, this is a shoe that I kind of had in mind. Like, this is a shoe that I thought, but this is the absolute one shoe that is like the ultimate end all of sneakers for me. Like, this is it.
And you know that midsole is the most rare. The two-tone white midsole, you can't find that one if you look at other ones.
Why did you have to do this? I was just saying to the camera, like, I just bought these and now I can't even look at these because of what's in my hand. And you knew that. You knew that going into buying these. So guys, he flew to Vegas last week and got these. And oh my gosh, I can't, I gotta finish my my rap on camera, but you did it. You shook me more than the Swarovskis. I'll talk to you later. We have the box, Purple Dynasty, Travis Scott, athlete name, Travis Scott. So he was saying this is the rare version of this, and it has the white midsole here. I'm assuming the other pair it's black midsole. Kind of like the black a little bit better. I'm not gonna be picky. I have to find out how much he paid. I think I can't pay much more than I can't pay more than he paid. If I'm assuming, he told me that I would want to buy these, so I assume he would be willing to sell them to me. All right, let me guess. My guess was he paid around, and I don't want to I don't know who he got it from, if it's a deal. This would be a guess. If he's willing to pay for it, I'd say 25K. So to me, it's like, I would rather both of these for, I don't know. I'm gonna see if Kais is up because I need to FaceTime him. I am selling my property in 4 days, so I'll be getting some nice money back out of it. So, we got a lot of cool shoes today. These are nuts, and I don't know what's gonna happen yet, so I'll probably come in a clip after this and let you guys know what I'm gonna do, because this shoe is probably worth about $30,000 to $40,000. I want them. I don't know if I don't want to spend that much. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. You guys know, like, there's levels to this. And when there's shoes that cost 300 bucks, it's easy to wear them. I paid $300 for these Strange Loves that I'm wearing. Easy to wear them, they're beat up. Paying $40,000 for a shoe, there's one instance I could ever wear them. If I get invited to the Grammys, why would I get invited to the Grammys? I'm a sneaker guy. I'll probably have a clip checking in a minute. In a few days, possibly. All right, guys, so I ended up talking to them. I got a price. I got a reasonable price. A price that I would be willing to pay if I didn't just buy the cactus plant flea markets. If these didn't just cost me $9,500, I think I would buy these, but I think these will come back in my life, and I already found a buyer for them. So I'm not gonna take these this time. I don't wanna spend, I can't say the number. I don't wanna spend a literal car's worth of money on a pair of shoes. I'm just not gonna wear them or anything, so we'll see what happens one day, but I just wanna update you guys. All right, guys, it's time to let you guys know what I'm keeping, what I'm selling, what I'm giving back, I don't know. Let's cut to it. Jordan 12 Super Bowls, definitely not gonna cop these, not my style. Cool gray Jordan 3s, probably not gonna cop these either. Just, I don't know. They don't stand out to me that I really, really want them. Nike SB Free 99s, I'm gonna pass on these. Nike SB Dunk High Gray, I'm gonna try to cop these. I just don't know much about them and when they're coming out, so I have to figure that out, but I don't think these will go over retail. Nike SB Wasted Youth, I'm gonna pass on these. Just, I don't see myself wearing them. Adidas NMD Human Race, definitely a cop. I need these 100%. Adidas Human Race for a Williams Black, I'm gonna pass. I've already got a pair way too similar to this. Nike Sakai Vapor Waffle Black, gonna pass on these as well. I've got too many of them and I just don't wear them. Lastly, Nike SB Dunk Supreme, definitely must cop on both of these. I'll probably end up paying, I would willing to pay up to $800 for this pair right here. But that's about it. There's my max. And yeah, that's the wrap up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.